cloud certifications open doors to numerous tech opportunities, enhancing your skills and boosting your career prospects. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, dominates with over 30% market share. It's ideal if you seek versatility and a vast job pool. AWS services like EC2 and Lambda are invaluable in tech industries. Microsoft Azure excels in enterprise environments, especially where Microsoft products are prevalent. With Azure Active Directory, it's perfect for enterprise developers and IT professionals. Google Cloud is unmatched in AI and big data. It's a haven for enthusiasts of machine learning and data analytics with tools like BigQuery and TensorFlow. Select AWS for versatility, Azure for enterprise focus, or Google Cloud for AI innovation. Your career goals will guide your choice.